Mazri kanya milaw la siya daw takin Janin kay Mizo Nampahi French Wallis minya Mizo, your name? Nicholas. And law I Wallisian boys dance kan direction dona kanti dona Juju ilaw enang Ngay in lang muvelo po ni Baytayan ni anmani French Island niya Juju tunay haling rek kantuma ilaw enang. Let's go.
So this is dance competition. I see a lot of colors on the island.
It's like you have a lot of colors like us.
Yeah.
Like Mizo people, we also have so many different colors.
And like different village, different districts, they represent themselves, and then each districts they have a couple. So one guy and one girl, and then they represent their district. So this is the boy, and here is the girl.
Oh, the girl.
So now it's the guy turn to do the dance.
Oh. So what is the mean this kind of dance?
So usually they are kind of telling stories. There's a lot of dance related to like combat, this kind of thing, and also like the history of the island.
So interesting.
And all the clothes, they are handmade. They are handmade by the woman from the village.
Is it they make from the coconuts or something like this?
Actually, they make from the tree skin. So they take the tree skin, and then they are kind of make it very, very thin until they can work it to make clothes.
So interesting.
And actually he is dancing in front of the king.
Oh, I wish I can see the king. Whoa.
So
You look like your father.
during the dance, like if they like the dance, then they are going to come and give money.
Oh.
So they're putting money on the clothes.
So this is just boys dance?
Yeah. And the kind of wood you see here, they're sometimes using it for the dance as well as an accessory.
Oh, actually I like the dance. We can post this one first. Maybe we can check the your sister dance. What's that called, your sister dance?
Like Tahitian dance.
Oh, the Haitian dance.
From Tahiti.
Kitia dance. Kan rek doon ni. Sila nga. Let's play.
She's having a short clip. This is very, very difficult to do.
They shake their butts though. Trekking, is that they call trekking? Which one is your sister again? The middle.
That one. Second from the right. This one.
Oh, loud. So they use their own language? You know, I really like about the thing they put on the head. Like we also have in Mizo. So what's it presents? Do you know? What's it presents?
I'm not too sure actually.
Yeah. This is also apart from islands. The French
it's different,
islands.
yeah.
And
This is French Polynesia, Tahiti. So it's different from Wallis.
So how far from Wallis to Tahiti?
Not too sure. Maybe 4 or 5 hours by plane.
Ooh, they should be festival. Oh, they kid.
Yeah. I think there's a lot of African dance that are inspired by animals.
Yeah, I heard that too. Ooh. I wish I know how to dance like this.
My sister and my aunties, they dance very well like this.
You see, like we see in the pictures. That I wish I can see the video, but I can show you the pictures. He also danced before. So.
There is one dance, my favorite. It's called Soamako.
Soamako. So what they present is
they're going to dance, and it's a little bit like one group against the other group.
So from this part to this part.
Bit like they have like a battle between each other.
It looks like it's raining here.
Yeah. And then you see the speed, and after they're going to dance faster.
Okay.
Fiji dance, I don't know so much, but after like many of the different videos, they're very similar.
Actually, the video is not that good.
I think because we are recording. I think we can stop before recording. You think so?
Ole, katizong cover ni kan rek. Junia, Johnny, thank you. So today we read the dance from Wallis and Futuna.
And then some Tahitian
dance. So Batum is about three culture dance. Okay, so I like it actually. I like the movement.
Maybe next time we can watch some Mizo dance.
Yeah, sure.
I know there is many different kind of dance also.
Yeah.
So maybe in the next video we can watch.
Yeah, sure. Comment below if you would like to see us reaction
on Mizo dance.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you for watching.
Bye bye.
See you next time. Bye bye. Thank you.